In this video and over the next few episodes, I will show you how to take from this to this. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. My name is Farid and we come back with another project. This is GWM Cannon Ute. We've got aftermarket hood, needs to be paint, blender guard and color matching with the rest of the car. Stay tuned. This is new hood. Unfortunately it was damaged during shipping with a lot of scratch and dents. We've already repaired it, applied a primer and now ready for paint. Once it's painted, we'll install on the car and finish the rest. Now I place the bonnet on the stand to start the preparation. That stand makes it much easier to work on and paint underneath of the bonnet. I start the process with the 400 grit with the orbital sander to make a smooth base for the paint and clear coat. Major part being done with machine, and then the rest, which is the corner and some shapes, I have to do with the sponge sand, which is the 800 grit. I use the 800 grit to remove the deeper scratch left by the 400 grit and to smooth out the surface. And the last step, Scotch-Brite. Giving the surface a final scuff before washing. Just make sure it's ready for paint. This helps remove any remaining gloss, ensure better paint adhesion, and get into area sandpaper might have missed. One more step remains, which is the cleaning. I do Scotch-Brite with the paste and then wash it. Now using a Scotch pad with a scuffing paste to go over the entire surface. This combo helps remove any remaining contaminants, dull and a glossy spot, and it gives the paint something to grip onto. Once that's done, we'll give it a good wash to remove all residue before painting. Now I blow the air and dry it out. When I'm blowing the air, remove the water from the tight area and a spot where it can get trapped, preventing it from seeping out during painting. After that, I use the clean microfiber towel to dry out all the water coming from the tight area. Then straight to spray booth ready for paint. Now spray the prep salt to remove any wax, grease or contaminants from the panel. This step is crucial to ensure a clean surface and proper paint adhesion. And again blowing the air to remove all prep salt left behind. Applying the wet on wet primer now. This type of the primer doesn't require sanding and is perfect for prepare the panel. It provides a smooth and a sealed surface and helps the top coat adhesion better while saving a time. Spraying the base coat is where the colors start to come to life. We are applying the base coat in several light and even layers to build up the coverage gradually. This helps achieve a smooth, consistent finish without the run or blotch. It is important to maintain proper distance and overlap each pass to ensure the color lays down evenly across the entire panel. And now time to spray the clear coat. This is what gives the paint its shines, depth and long-lasting protection. I am laying down 2 or 3 medium coats, the proper flush of time in between the coats. Thanks for watching this video so far. I really appreciate it for your support. I hope you enjoyed this part of the process. Stay tuned for the next episode as we continue bring this project to life. See you soon.